After years of pain, even partial paralysis, the UND women's basketball coach is back on his feet.
It's thanks to surgery he had at a hospital in Crookston. WDAY News reporter Ken Chase shows us how the surgery is catching worldwide attention.
It's been a long road to recovery for Travis Brewster.
It's a real eye-opening experience.
For the last few years, the University of North Dakota women's basketball coach had debilitating back pain.
Some of it was partial paralysis, a little bit, loss of use of the limbs. Thus was in a wheelchair for part of the time, crutches as well, a lot of just burning sensations and things like that.
But he heard about a surgery that had the ability to change his life.
Here at Riverview Health in Crookston, there's a lot going on. They're building a new hospital, but it's a groundbreaking procedure that's catching worldwide attention.
Last April, doctors performed oblique lateral lumbar interbody fusion, or OLIF surgery. The procedure can alleviate back pain and help with conditions including scoliosis. It's different from traditional back surgery.
Traditional way of doing the surgery is, for lack of other term, is filleting the patient open, cutting lots of muscle, lots of bone, just to get to where the problem is.
Instead, doctors are able to use small cuts to get to the problem without cutting through muscle. It's minimally invasive and can be done much more quickly than traditional surgery.
A 5-6 hour surgery, and in many places that could be easily an 8 to 10 hour surgery. We finished that surgery in 61 minutes because we didn't have to cause lots of damage.
Dr. Abasi is showing a doctor from Japan how to do OLIF surgery. That doctor will then be able to use the procedure to help patients in Japan.
The likelihood of infection is smaller, and certainly, the blood loss is much smaller, and it's a very good procedure.
Dr. Abasi has performed the surgery on nearly 1,000 people in Alexandria, the Twin Cities, and Crookston.
To provide this kind of care to hardworking farmers and send them back to their farm, let them do the job, and let them get on with their lives.
8 months after the surgery, Coach says life is much different.
A lot of improvement, slow, but being able to have feeling back in your feet again and the nerves start to recover is a big deal.
A procedure that's changing lives. In Crookston, Ken Chase, WDAY News.
Coach Brewster says he was out of the hospital and back home 28 hours after having the surgery.